Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got an exciting tutorial for you, how to import a UDP request config on the SocksIP Tunnel app. Whether you're looking for faster browsing or stronger security, this guide will help you set it up quickly. Don't forget to support our channel by hitting that like and subscribe button, and for more VPN updates and hidden tricks, make sure to check out our blog in the description below. All right, let's dive in. First, we need to get the required UDP request file. Open your browser and search for UDP and slow DNS files. In the search results, look for the official website link and click on it. Once you're on the home page, click the hamburger icon at the top left to open the menu. Select UDP config, and a small window will appear. Click UDP request. You'll see a 10-second countdown begin. Once the countdown finishes, the download button will appear. Click on it to open a page with a list of UDP request configs. Select the latest one, click on it, and then hit the download button on the next page. In just a few seconds, the file will be saved to your device. Next, you need the latest version of the SocksIP Tunnel app. Head over to your Play Store, search for SocksIP Tunnel, and download it. Once it's installed, open the app and you'll land on the home page, where we'll be importing the config file. Now, let's import the config file. On the home page, click the three-dot menu in the top corner and hit the plus icon. A small window will pop up. Select Import/Export and then click Import. This will open your device's download folder. Find the UDP request config file you just downloaded and tap it. In a few seconds, the file will be successfully imported into SocksIP Tunnel. Once the file is imported, hit the Start button at the bottom of the screen. In a few seconds, your VPN will connect, giving you a fast, secure browsing experience. And that's it! You've successfully imported the UDP request config and connected your SocksIP Tunnel VPN. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.